What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. In this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step over the simple 3-step process that I've used to generate results and start an online business in less than 24 hours using TikTok as the driver of that business. And if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around. Also, at the end, I'm going to give you access to the same program, the same systems that I've been using to generate a ton of leads for my business, and which has ultimately generated me some income. So regardless of where you are in the world, whether you're in the United States or not, this is going to be useful for you, and you can get started as soon as you finish watching this video. If that sounds something you're interested in, stick around, and without taking much of your time, I'm just going to jump right into my computer. So the first thing you need to understand is that TikTok is going to be the major driver for a lot of online businesses, especially if you're trying to create a business online, because the one thing that you need to create a successful online business in this day and age is unlimited traffic. And if you want to generate traffic nowadays, you don't want to be spending money on ads, especially if you're just starting out. So TikTok provides the virality. It's so easy to go viral on TikTok, and this is not just audiences that are low quality. These are high quality audiences that can buy from you over and over again. So if you look at my account right here, I have over 35,000 followers, and this is something that I've been able to build over the last 3 weeks. So if you came to my account about 3 weeks ago, you would find only 97 followers following me on TikTok, but now I have over 35,000, which is still mind-blowing to me. And that has helped me to grow my YouTube channel rapidly, and helped me again to build an email list from just under 100 to almost 3,000 in the space of 2 weeks. So this is something that TikTok has allowed me to be able to do. And not only am I generating leads with TikTok, I'm also making sales with the various affiliate products that I promote on my on my platforms. And if you look at what I have on the screen right now, this is a TikTok profile of one of the most prominent affiliate marketers on TikTok right now. His name is Adrian Brambilla. Maybe you most have heard about him. The good thing about TikTok is that it allows you to just be yourself and be able to create content that directs people, that really attracts your ideal audience. And the good thing again is that once you get over 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can add a link to your profile right here, so that link can go directly to your website. So if you look at these profiles that I have open in these tabs right here, you would see that they have domain names directly inside of their accounts, and that has really helped a lot of people, including myself, to efficiently direct traffic from TikTok to my landing pages. So if you come here to another account, Don Bavaro, you can see that everyone has links inside of their profiles. And the same thing with me, I have links in my profile as well. So if you click on my link, it will take you to my landing page, which then people can put in the email address, and I can follow up with them and promote them. This is the way that I've been able to generate over 3,000 leads in the space of 2 weeks. And it is one simple website, just one web page like this one. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to the same web page. So if you're interested in creating a one-page landing page like this one, that's going to be able to help you generate leads effectively. And I'm going to show you the metrics behind this landing page because it's converting so well. Now, once you have this landing page and you have every tool that you need set up, which is your landing page or email marketing software, you need to find an offer. What do you want to promote? What do you want your business to be about? Or pretty much, let's say, what niche do you want to be in? Because it's really important before you get on TikTok and start creating content. You need to understand that if you don't have a niche, it's going to be really hard for your ideal audience to find you. For me, it's going to be teaching people how to make money online, which works for me, but because now I can start creating content on it, and people can start discovering my content, and they can start knowing me for that. And not only am I just creating content, I'm building a brand around myself. And another problem that I see so many people run into, or that I've been asked so many times, is that can I create content without showing my face? While it is technically possible, in fact, it's very easy to create content without showing your face. I always say that if you want to build a sustainable business, long-term passive income business online, you need to, the know and see, the see and know factor is there. People know you, they see you, they trust you even more. So whatever you promote, it's going to be easier for you to promote products to people, because you're selling to people. You're not just selling to robots or animals, you're selling to actual people. So once they see you, they know you, it's easy for them to now purchase something from you, because they know exactly that your reputation might be hinging on this thing. So I recommend that you do this. If you're not going to be showing your face, it's gonna be really hard to implement the strategies that I'm about to teach in this video. So I always recommend that you go in the path of people showing your face. As you can see, the most successful affiliate marketers or online business, personalities on TikTok or on the internet. There are people who have their faces out there. If you want to really do this, you need to be able to have your face, and it's all going to be good as long as you're doing the right thing. There's nothing to worry about. All right, so how do you now start creating content on TikTok? Now, if you are just getting on TikTok, this is going to be really intimidating. I know it was for me, but what I would advise is that create a profile and go on TikTok and find at least 5 to 10 different personalities in the same niche that you want to be in. For me, I watch a lot of Adrian's videos and a lot of other affiliate marketers on TikTok, and I watch the videos and see exactly what they are doing, what are the things that they incorporate into their videos that I really like, that I can incorporate into my videos as well. Which of their videos have done so well that I can copy the things or the strategies that they are doing. I'm not copying the video directly, I'm just copying the strategy, some of the things they're doing into my videos. And if you go into my TikTok profile, I have a video that has over 1 million views right now. The same strategy that I implemented in this video, I have known, or I've now decided that is the strategy to implement if you want to have a viral video on TikTok, because that is the best way to go on TikTok. So have a viral video, then you can build upon that. So you want to follow at least 5 to 10 and try to consume a lot of content to know exactly what works on TikTok, because TikTok is not like any other social platform. There's very short form and attention span is really low. People scroll fast, like really fast. So you want to grab the attention and have a hook and deliver the goods, and have a call to action. So some of these things is what you want to really learn before you start creating content. So once you start creating content, you need to have a goal in mind. What products do you want to promote? Do you want to promote a digital product or a physical product? Because you will get to 1,000 followers pretty fast, and once you get to 1,000 followers, you will be able to add this link into your bio. Once you add your link into your bio, that is going to be the driver, the ultimate driver of your business. That is where people will be able to go. As you can see here, we have people just adding links in their bios, and that is how people generate leads. That is how they make the most of TikTok. I have this in my bio as well. As you can see, passive income and make money online, grow with Lenka. She has a link in her bio as well. So this is how you want to do it exactly. Once you get on TikTok, you should decide what products you want to promote and just go for it. So how do you then find these products to promote if you don't have any idea? I think the best way that a lot of people start is by going on ClickBank, although I will not recommend ClickBank products because some of them are just straight up bad products. But if you just starting out, I would recommend ClickBank and find in the e-business, e-marketing niche, find products. You'll find products on here that's going to pay you anywhere from 25 to 50, even 75% commissions. And once you decide or find the actual product to promote, all you have to do is click on promote here, or you just go into the JV or the joint venture page of this individual products and see if they have support materials like email swipes and marketing materials that you can use in promoting the same product. But if you don't want to go on ClickBank, you want something more legit, something with a lot of support, I'll leave a link down in description of my #1 recommended product to start promoting if you're just getting started online. So not only are you getting my exact landing page has helped me generate thousands of leads in a short space of time, you'll also be getting my #1 products that you can go and promote right now as soon as you get up this video. So that is how you find your products. Either go on ClickBank or you click the link in my bio, which I recommend so much. So once you do that and you start creating content on TikTok, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you have your email marketing software. And I always recommend GetResponse. GetResponse has been very good to me. I've used them for a long time, and you can start for free. In fact, the first 30 days on GetResponse is free. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to try it out. You can start for free for the next 30 days, and you don't even have to pay anything up to, I think, 1,000 emails. So once you have 1,000 emails, of course, you're going to have to upgrade to the next tier, but you don't have to do that once you're just starting out. So GetResponse, this landing page right here that I'm using, the exact landing page, and TikTok. Once you have all of these three things integrated, then you want to have your autoresponder set up. So as you can see right here, I have my autoresponders up to, all right, so I have my autoresponder set up to day 7. Of course, I still need to do more, but I have at least 1 to 3 emails sent out every single day. So once you have your autoresponder, this is going to be the backbone of your business. It's going to follow up with your customers with your emails, and it's going to promote to them. But you don't always necessarily have to promote every day. Maybe you should try to give value to your audience audience every other day, then you can promote like every once in a while, because once they see that you're only promoting and promoting and promoting, it's not going to be long until they unsubscribe or they mark you as spam and your emails just go into the spam folder. So you don't want that to happen. You want to give value, then you can promote to them. Now, what type of results can you see using the method that I'm talking about here? As you can see on my screen, I am promoting a particular product and do not care about the numbers on the left hand side, because they're not like crazy numbers. But what I want you to focus on is what we have on the right hand side of the screen, which is the frequency at which this is happening. So this is the power of TikTok. Some days I'm making 5-6 sales in one day, and some days I'll make 4, but I'm always making at least 1 sale every single day, which is what I just want to emphasize a lot. If you do this right, you will be making a ton of sales, generating a ton of leads, and your business will grow in no time. I've seen a lot of TikTokers who have been able to create a passive income business within a couple of months. So if you really want to do this, I want you to go into it with a belief that this is something that you can do. So this is the kind of result that you can see if you implement the strategy. Now, this is just one of the products that I promote. I have other affiliate products as well that I'm using the TikTok strategy to implement, but I'm not going to focus on that too much in this video, because my main focus in this video is to get you started and to have you see the importance of TikTok being a major driver in your business. And if you can get on it, it's going to be highly beneficial to you and to your business that you're about to create. So get on TikTok and start making content and start generating leads, and this is going to be probably one of the best decisions you've ever made. Now, to summarize this video, what do you need to get started? I'm going to tell you right now. What you need is basically your time and your commitment to say, okay, you really want to do this. Once you are able to decide that you want to get on TikTok, you want to start creating content, all you need is to get a domain name, which usually go for between anywhere from $7 to $10. Then you need to get a landing page software. In fact, if you don't want to pay for lead pages, you can use GrooveFunnels, which is completely free. And your email marketing software, you get 30 days for free, which I'll leave a link to down in the description. And that is all you need. Also, the product that I recommend that you start with is this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And if you go in the description right now, you will find it right there. Make sure you sign up for that. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the description for me. So that is all you need to get started, guys. It is less than, say, $30 to get started, at least in your very first month. So I just want you to make a commitment. Leave a comment down below in the commitment. Type something like I'm ready or something like that, so I can know that you're going to take action on this video, because I started this less than a month ago, like this TikTok strategy that I'm sharing with you right now, and this is the kind of result that I am getting right now. Over 35,000 followers in less than 1 month, and I've been generating a ton of leads and I'm making a ton of sales. So this is something that you can do as long as you can commit yourself to it. And let me know if there's something I can help you with, and I will be more than happy to share my strategy and to share my most priced knowledge with you. As you know, I'm not trying to sell you any course in my videos. I'm just trying to give the best knowledge possible. So let me know if this is helpful. Appreciate you watching this video till the very end. As you can see, just got a new microphone. Let me know if the audio is crisp and clear, if you like it, so that I can continue using it. Again, thanks for watching this video till the very end. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.